Answer to question 6.2. The question states that we have f of x and g of x, where f of x and g of x, they have the point of intersection. So which means f of x is equal to g of x. So let us have f of x equal to g of x. F of x is given, which is cos 2x, and g of x is given, which is 2 sine x minus 1. Therefore, f of x is equal to g of x. So this cos 2x equal to 2 sine x minus 1. We have to change this cos 2x to sine identity, which is cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. We have 1 minus 2 sine square x must be equal to 2 sine x minus 1. Now, therefore, let us move everything we have at left hand side to the right hand side. We have 2 sine x minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 sine square x must be equal to 0. This is going to give us 2 sine x minus 2 plus 2 sine square x equal to 0. Now let us rearrange it in a such a way that is gonna give us quadratic equation. We have 2 sine square x plus 2 sine x minus 2 equal to 0. We can divide through by 2. Let us divide everything by 2. Now we are going to have sine square x plus sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we cannot solve the quadratic equation. If you check very well, there's no way we can factorize it. We are going to use quadratic formula. So this is the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So our a now, a is going to be 1, b is going to be 1, and c is going to be negative 1. So let us now apply the formula now. The formula states, which is going to give us minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 into negative 1 divided by 2 into 1, which is give us minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 4 divided by 2. We are going to have minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. This is our sine x. Sine x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. That is our sine x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or sine x equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. If we check the answer very well, 1 minus Minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2 will automatically less than 1. And when you, which is sin x. When you press your calculator to find the value for x, no solution for this. Therefore, sin x will be equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Therefore, the answer for question 6.2 is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. This is also proved.